Do you want to build a web or mobile app fast? Meet Loveable AI, an AI-powered no-code app and website builder that turns your ideas into functional apps by chatting in plain English. But is it production ready? Let's dive in. Loveable lets you describe your app ideas, say a to-do list with login and database, and the AI generates a full-stack app, front-end, back-end, database, and hosting, all within your browser. You even get live previews, editing, and collaboration and deployment, no install required. You start with a prompt, ChatGPT style, and you let the AI scaffold routes, database tables, and authentication flows. You can tweak visuals with a Figma-like editor or chat to refine your UI. Deploy via built-in hosting, custom domains, or GitHub sync. Scrum to live in minutes. TechRadar praises its responsive AI builder, debugger, and GitHub integration. Free tier only offers a few daily messages and limited hosting. That's one of the downsides. Another downside is design customization is somewhat limited. Expect similar looking Tailwind layouts. And it's still early. Complex or large apps may hit performance or feature ceilings. Loveable AI is perfect in 2025 for fast prototypes, MVPs, internal tools, or simple consumer apps. It's accessible, collaborative, and deployable in minutes. But don't expect full custom production-grade systems. There are limits in design, scale, and flexibility.